U Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi District U Abhilash Baranwal, Lember U Dr. Manan Kaushal, Ubade U Independent Director ka ITDC, U Lapalat Pat Ba Bat IT ya ka kali kit Nongpang Thymmai ka Civil Hospital Nongpoh Mentakas Kani ka kali bla ai lingba ka India Tourism Development Corporation Limited, ka thmuban kintiu yikila ajing sumar shekinong shongshnong jong Karibhoi District. Habakran na kani kasngi ubaran wal ulapan pau ya kajing kermen ba kani ka kali kan kamyarap ya kajing laban syakri ka Civil Hospital hakaban ai ya kajing sumar bekerki shekinong shongshnong.
Good morning to our. This ambulance will be put to good service by the civil hospital, and it will aid their efforts in providing medical emergency facilities to the residents of this district. Ribhoi being a district in which accidents are also common. Moreover, most of the critical patients have to be transported as well. In light of all these facts, the importance of ambulance cannot be emphasized more. So again, I would like to pay my sincere regard to ITDC for choosing Ribhoi for this CSR initiative in which we have got this ambulance.